In this video, we will discuss about the switch statements and its usage in C++ programming. Switch statements can be considered as a group of if-else statement. It is used to execute one of the many case statements. The case statement is evaluated once during the program execution. If the expression matches any of the case statement, then the corresponding statements are executed. If the expression doesn't matches any of the case statement, then the default case gets executed with the statements. The syntax for the switch statement is switch followed by the expression in parentheses followed by the one or multiple case statements with the code block to be executed, and finally the default case, which gets executed if none of the above case statements are evaluated to be true. If the expression matches any of the case statement, then the statements present under the case statement are executed. And then the break statement is called to come out of the switch statement and continue with the execution of the remaining program. If the expression doesn't matches any of the case statement, then the default case gets executed with the statements present under it and then breaks the switch statement and continue with the execution of the remaining program. In the program, days of week is declared as int. User input is requested to enter any value from 1 to 7 for day of the week, which is stored in variable days of week. The switch statement starts with an expression equal to days of week. Case statements are added from 1 to 7 with cout statement and break statement, so that after printing the values it breaks and come out of the switch statement loop. Then a default case is added so that if user enters any other value, some message gets displayed stating that wrong value has been entered. After the switch statement, a cout statement is added to show that. After the break statement, the program control goes to outside of switch statements and execute other lines as present before terminating the program. Once executed, it asks user to input any values from 1 till 7. The user input the value as 3. Based on the user input case, 3 gets executed and it prints Tuesday. The break statement terminates the switch statement and then it prints the cout statement outside of switch statement. Let's test again by entering user input as 8. As we don't have case 8 in the switch statement, so the default gets executed and prints the statement. Wrong value entered for day of the week, and then it prints the cout statement outside of switch statement.